Hello, welcome back to the second part of why Metaline might be the best surface protection for your coating needs to save you time, money and efforts. Here are the 5 reasons to choose Metaline for your surface protection coatings, part 2. Multiple surface finishes. Metaline offers an improvement in efficiency of about 3 to 4% in comparison to grey cast iron surfaces when applied naturally with a smooth surface finish. Metaline can also be textured to make it more of an anti-slip coating. Adhesion. Because Metaline polymerises in the shape of the substrate, it has zero tension. Rubber, however, comes in sheet form and will be vulcanised by pressure to the substrate, creating surface tension. Erosion and cavitation resistance. Independent customer tests and laboratory research have proven that about 50 times higher erosion and cavitation resistance compared to other epoxy ceramic compounds. Processing advantages. In comparison to rubber, epoxy ceramic compounds or even hot sprayed polyurea products, Metaline offers minimal equipment investment and maintenance, low pressure spraying, no equipment cleaning and non-toxic in use. Non-stick properties. Metaline has a natural tendency to act as a non-stick surface. This anti-caking property can both increase efficiency of equipment and reduce cleaning costs. I hope you find this information helpful. Feel free to reach out if you need any assistance at globalpumps.com.au.